This is the morning weather update. This is for Tuesday, the 16th of May. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather just not changing much today. Hot, humid, scattered showers and storms around mainly this afternoon and early tonight. We do expect heat levels to come down beginning tomorrow, and there's a chance we'll see a brief shot of drier air at some point late this weekend. Let's discuss things. This is the upper air look across the country early this morning. And again, we have ridging here across the deep south. The stronger mid-latitude westerlies are up north. And I just get the idea you can stick a fork in the tornado season. It seems to be done for this year. Our tornado season here is November through May. There's still time for a pattern change, but with each passing day, it sure looks like more and more we are locked into a summer pattern with these afternoon storms with no tornado activity. So that's a good thing. We'll check the radar early this morning about 5:30, and nothing on that composite. Looks like there might be a couple of tiny showers over the Tennessee Valley, but they've already dissipated. Again, the bulk of the showers today coming after 1 or 2 o'clock this afternoon. We are mostly in the upper 60s and low 70s to start the day. And boy, yesterday was a hot one. Birmingham hit 93, hottest day so far this year, within one of the record. The record high yesterday was 94, set way back in 1899, so we missed that by 1 degree. And many other spots were in the 90s. I think the hot spot was Troy in South Alabama at 96. Mobile hit 95. Wow. Pretty quiet morning across the country. There is an enhanced risk of severe storms later today in an interesting place over parts of extreme northeast Tennessee, southeast Kentucky, and then the mountains of North Carolina and Virginia with a surface boundary in the area there. A low-end marginal risk clipping the far northeastern corner of Alabama. And again, almost any day with a day like this in the state, you'll see some strong storms around, like yesterday with hail, small hail, gusty winds, but again, there's no tornado threat. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over the western high plains. Day 3, which is Thursday, we have a marginal risk over parts of West Texas and Oklahoma. So look at rain for the next 7 days. In Alabama, the amounts 1 to 1.5 inches for the southern counties of the state, 1/2 to 1 inch for the north, valid between now and Tuesday morning of next week. And again, there's optimism. We could get into a drier air mass Sunday, maybe Monday. On those days, most locations would likely be dry. And hey, looky here. Look what's back. The National Hurricane Center now issuing a new 7-day outlook. And they are doing this every year beginning on May 15th. Just in case we have a preseason system, the hurricane season technically begins on June 1st. But all is quiet across the Atlantic Basin. Model fans, let's go the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 4. And again, ridging over the Gulf Coast, and like yesterday, same story. We'll see these random scattered showers and storms during the heat of the day. High should be close to 90 today. And again, the chance of any one spot getting wet, 50 to 60%. This is the high-res HUR, and as you know what I'm going to say here, the radar will not look exactly like this. Even these high-resolution models just can't handle random summer convection well. But they'll be around, so just be aware of that. Pretty much the same thing tomorrow. There's a surface front near the Tennessee state line, and it just doesn't have enough southward push to give us any dry air, but the heat level should come down. Highs tomorrow will be close to 80 with scattered showers and storms, and that's the idea for Thursday and for Friday. Friday looks maybe a little drier, but even then there'll be some scattered showers around. And we note that front north of the state Friday, from near Detroit down to Wichita. And the front will be easing in here on Saturday. So again, we'll need to mention a chance of scattered showers and storms Saturday, but not raining all day and not necessarily raining everywhere. The high Saturday will be close to 80. And then Sunday, yes, we do believe a decent chunk of the state will be in a drier continental air mass. And if that's the case, the day would be mostly sunny, humidity values down, highs low 80s. And again, the GFS is suggesting there still could be a little slug of moisture across the southeastern counties of the state with a chance of showers there, but I think most of the state will be dry. But then it kind of creeps the moisture back Monday, and as we all know, in this pattern, it's hard to get dry air in here for any length of time. But still, hopefully, a decent chunk of the state will be dry Monday, but I do think we need to bring back some chance of scattered showers and storms. And a week from today, Tuesday, May 23rd, ridging in place, and that looks pretty quiet. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, May 25th. Interesting upper low that's off the Atlantic coast. But again, that looks dry. So at the moment, much of next week looking fairly quiet around here. Rain for Birmingham off the European Ensemble. The mean about 2 inches between now and the end of May. Temperatures coming off the national blend of models. This is for Birmingham. And again, the high today will be around 90, but the high tomorrow dropping to 81, almost a 10-degree drop. And we're expecting mostly low 80s through the weekend. And the next week looks seasonal. Highs in the 80s, lows in the 60s. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance in the house. This is for May 23rd through May 29th. And if this works out, temperatures here would be at or a little below average. Go back to yesterday, a little time lapse of the sky. Classic summer look right there. Here comes your random shower. And underneath that thing, the rain is heavy. Had some pretty big rain totals in the Birmingham metro, especially across places like Cahaba Heights and Mountain Brook. Our observer in Mountain Brook had almost 3 inches of rain yesterday. And, of course, you get the creepy shelf clouds and these lowerings. And, of course, this has nothing to do with a tornado. We can certainly understand why people might think that's a tornado, but it's not. That's just harmless scud. We see these. We'll see these every day for the most part, all the way through summer. And the lightning is ferocious. Check this out. Lightning hit this tree yesterday in Marianna, Florida. And the tree started burning from the inside. That happens sometimes. And we had some hail yesterday, small hail for the most part. And again, with these big towering thunderstorms, you can have that in summertime, even though it might be 90 degrees. It's the air aloft responsible for the hail. And after the showers, what do you get? Yeah, buddy, we had some very vivid rainbows across the state. For the rainbow watchers, it's a great time of the year. And for some, a really nice sunset. Taylor Sorello took that photograph of our staff from Red Mountain in Birmingham yesterday. That was looking awfully good. Hey, we have notes on the blog, alabamawx.com. Today I've got a couple of stops. I'll be at Chelsea Middle School and then River Chase Elementary School. And tonight I'll be speaking at the commencement ceremonies for the students at the Grove School in Leeds. Tomorrow I'll be speaking to some folks with the FBI virtually, and then I'll be at Greystone Elementary School after that. Thursday, South Shelby Baptist, see the senior adults there. And then Thursday evening, we'll be in Cullman at the Lowe's, programming weather radios. If you need help with your weather radio, come see us. We're going to be at the Lowe's between 3:30 and 6:30 on Thursday. If you need to buy one, they have them available. We talked with Bruce Jones on Weather Brains last night of Midland. They got a good stock in. We ran out last time we did this, but they've got plenty of weather radios. But if you want us to check your weather radio, have questions, come see us. Again, that's Thursday in Cullman at the Lowe's between 3:30 and 6:30. Friday, Chelsea Park Elementary School. And then Friday evening, I'll be emceeing the Taylor Hicks concert at Sanford. That's a fundraiser for Alabama Game Changers, which is an amazing ministry right down the street from us in River Chase. And then Saturday, it is a book signing in West Blockton at the Cahaba Lily Festival. It's going to be a fun day. We'll be there from 9 until noon, and it's a great chance to see the lilies. They bloom once a year in May. And it should be just a great day. So, again, 9 to noon, downtown West Blockton at the Cahaba Lily Festival. And, of course, we invite you to watch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.